Hello guys, are you looking for your dream job on LinkedIn? Well, this is the video which you all were looking for. My name is Kushal Rathi and today we'll discuss about the basic details about LinkedIn and how to get your dream job via LinkedIn. So this is the video which you all were looking for. So watch the video till the end and you will learn so many things about it. So let's start it. The main question arises in your mind that can we really find our dream job via LinkedIn? Can we really find the relevant connection on LinkedIn? Can we really get a call from a dream company? The answer to all the above question is a big yes. Yes, you can find your dream job via LinkedIn. So, how LinkedIn can help you? LinkedIn is the world's largest professional network with hundreds of millions of members and growing rapidly. Our mission is to connect the world's professional to make them more productive and successful. Establish your professional profile and control one of the top search results for your name and get your dream job. So follow these steps and watch the video till the end. You will learn so many things and hope so you will find a dream job on your own company from LinkedIn. So there are 4 steps to glory. Okay, 4 steps to glory. You have to understand what is your target audience. You have to optimize your LinkedIn profile according to your target audience. You have to find the relevant connections and you have to create a very good content to find a very good connections. So first, you have to understand what is your target audience, whom you are targeting. Ask yourself, who are you? What do you do? Suppose you are a digital marketer. And what are your dream companies? Suppose your dream company is Swiggy or Uber. Suppose you are a digital marketer looking for a job at Uber or Swiggy. You would need to connect with people in positions who could get you a call for an interview. You might connect with people in similar roles or people who are in senior roles. You have to find a very relevant connections according to your target audience so you can get your job on LinkedIn. So, after you understood what is your target audience, you have to optimize your profile according to your target audience. So, why optimize your LinkedIn profile? Because to show up when someone searches for the keyword you want to rank for example, as a digital marketer. The process of recreating a profile in a way that you appear in search and get noticed. There are the 3 main factors of optimization of profile. The first one is searchable. What helps you rank in searchable? Good headline, a shared connections, current designation and past designation. What makes you clickable? Optimize your profile picture. Optimize your headline to describe what you do. Put in details of your current and past work. Put in your location. So you should be clickable and how you can be approachable. Speak of your achievements and past experience. Put in your email address or mode of communication to look approachable. Optimization of headline. You should add keywords. You should talk to target audience and you should clearly say what you do and for whom. This is the example you can see. The profile picture. Add a clean, crisp profile picture, not too professional, not too casual. No beach outdoor, please. The cover image. The cover image, you should talk to your TG, target audience. You should reflect who you are. Put text to the right because every human beings who comes should see on the right first. So you should put text to the right to get noticed. So guys, please subscribe to this channel. You will learn so many things about it. So watch the video till the end and you will learn so more things. So after optimization of headline, there is optimization of description. You should add keywords. You should speak about yourself. Tell me something about yourself. That's who you are. Where are you come from? Write a story and speak about yourself. So people can connect this. After that, optimization of job description. Describe what your past jobs and current job. Add keywords to job description. Add media to job description to improve trust. This is the example you can see. Add skills to your profile. It should reflect what you do and your capabilities. Add license and certifications. You should also add your awards and honors. You should add different languages which you know, and you should also add projects which you have done in your life. Recommendation. It is the most important thing. Recommendation. You should build trust from all the other person. Get recommended by colleagues, employers, clients with a note. So you should get noticed if someone is recommended you. Add service listing. Say what you do. Choose from the available list of service. Choose whether you are willing to work in house or remotely. Encourage people to communicate. You have to be approachable. So add your email. Mention a line, show your willingness to communicate. So this is the video, guys. This is the second part, optimization of your profile. I hope you guys all like this video. Hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Please like and share this video. In the upcoming videos, I'll show you practically how you can make your LinkedIn profile and how you can optimize your profile. Till then, stay safe and stay home.